By March 30, Chainlink could climb 2.6%, according to digital coin price. First, let's break down what's been happening lately. Chainlink is showing a 0.7% loss since yesterday and now trades close to $8.51. Now onto the expert forecast set. According to CoinLore, the asset could reach $8.50 by March 30, a loss of roughly 0.1% from today's price. Chainlink is expected to move higher to $8.55, according to coin price forecast, a gain near 0.5%. Cryptonization highlights the possibility of advancing to $8.66, a rise close to 1.8%. Another prediction from digital coin price puts the target for Chainlink at $8.73. That's approximately 2.6% up. Finally, Crypto Predictions expects a move to $9.03 by tomorrow, a rise of 6.2%. This is the top return forecast we've reviewed. All 5 takes are in. Let's shift ahead. With all 5 predictions in mind, let's look at the numbers. The combined projections suggest the price could range from a decrease of 0.1% to a rise of 6.2%, depending on the analyst. Overall, Crypto Predictions provides the leading forecast with 6.2% lift in value by March 30. After adding it all up, you could take in between $1 and $62 for every $1,000 you invest. When factoring in volatility, CoinLore's forecast indicates the most likely price change, with a 90.8% probability. Out of all 5 forecasts, I've outlined one unified consensus scenario. Consensus valuation marks Chainlink around $8.70. Let's break it down. The consensus view places the price 2.2% higher than current levels. To put it plainly, your capital might grow by about 2.2% in step with that move. For a 1,000 example, this could show a potential profit of around $22. And looking at the odds, this consensus scenario for Chainlink holds a probability close to 77.7%. Before we continue, let's see how analysts expect the price to move in the next 3 days. CoinLore emphasizes a downward trajectory. Coin price forecast describes the near-term outlook as bullish. Chainlink may advance, Cryptonization also notes. Chainlink is projected to gain further, digital coin price also suggests. A stronger push upward is meanwhile expected by Crypto Predictions. The consensus stance presents Chainlink with an upward-leaning trajectory over this short-term horizon. In conclusion, the majority of forecasts support a rising scenario, pointing toward Chainlink advancing further. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now we'll see how they measured against reality. Ultimately, yesterday's trading ended at $8.44. The outcome showed that just a minority got the market's direction correct. The most correct forecast in numbers was from 30 rates. Time to open up the details and review them. Just one analyst's forecast was correct about the candle range. Looking at ROI, some analysts managed to post gains, with Traders Union performing best overall. Here's the recap. All outcomes combined into one table. The data for digital coin price shows 85.6% forecast probability, $0.58 accuracy, and minus 5.4% ROI. See if you can tell who predicted it most precisely. Here's how the income expectations for tomorrow look across multiple assets including Chainlink. Chainlink currently shows the highest projected return for tomorrow, 2.2%. This quick view includes 5 cryptocurrencies, and the broader cross-asset return analysis will also be available later on my website and Telegram. Before we move on, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy seeing all these forecasts side by side. Stay safe and see you soon.